Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can use activities on Discord. Okay, so this is a relatively new feature, so if you don't see the option after following this tutorial, just before you start, just go into your Discord and you want to close the window and then open it back up so it can make sure it downloads all the necessary updates. Now, to use activities, you go into any general voice channel in a Discord server. So for me, I'll go into my server right now, then I'll just click on the general voice channel right here and I'll just mute myself. And once you're in the Discord voice channel, you just want to click on this little rocket icon right here. This is the activities button. So if you click on this rocket, you have various different activities that you can make use of. So you can see here you get sketch heads, watch together, and putt party. Now it says here subscribe to Nitro to access more activities, but for me I actually am subscribed to Nitro. So if I go here, then I go to Nitro, you can see that I'm currently on the Nitro basic. So maybe you need to have the normal Nitro in order to unlock those activities, but I'll just go into here, and for an example, if I want to play this putt party, I can click on this and it will open up the putt party. It says try voice chat on console, so I'll just dismiss that, and now it's loading up putt party. So I just muted the music real quick so it doesn't get, I don't know if it's copyrighted, but you can click on this for an example, and then the game starts in 13 seconds, and then you'll just basically play this activity, and that's how you can use it. If you want to exit the activity, you just come here and you go leave activity, and then you can rate it. So I'll just give it a smiley face, then I'll leave this, and then you can go and click on activity again, and you can either do the sketch heads or the watch together, and that's basically all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.